What if a dirt cheap kitchen trick could supercharge your immune system, crush colds, and maybe even save your life? We're diving into the wild, ancient world of medicinal garlic honey, a remedy so epic it's outlasted empires. Stick around for just a few minutes because I'm dropping a secret twist at the end, and it'll have you raiding your pantry like a health-crazed ninja. This is too good to miss. Why is this duo a legend? Garlic's got Ellison, a germ-killing warrior hiding in every clove, ready to rumble. Raw honey? It's packed with antioxidants, tiny bodyguards shielding your cells, and healing cuts fast. Alone? They're rock stars, but together, they're a health power couple, smashing sore throats, crushing swelling, swatting away bugs like it's their side hustle. Fun fact, ancient farmers used garlic to scare off pests, and yep, even vampires, if you're into that. Honey's been a sweet fix since bees ruled the hive, and those buzzers, they sneak in enzymes that might rev up your metabolism. More on that later. Bonus, garlic's a fat burner too. Weight loss vibes incoming. But there's a secret team up coming. Any guesses? Drop them in the comments. Ready to channel your inner potion master? It's so easy, you'll feel like a chef in minutes. Grab fresh organic garlic and raw honey, no fake syrup junk. Peel the cloves, smash them lightly to unleash their magic, like popping a balloon for the goods. Toss them in a clean glass jar, drown them in honey till they're soaked, seal it, and let it sit at room temp for 3 to 4 weeks. Bubbles and a darker hue mean fermentation, nature's cooking trick, making it a beast. Use a wooden spoon, metal can mess with it. Shake it weekly to mix the vibes. Pro tip, sniff it mid-process. It's funky, but tells you it's working. Romans had a zesty twist. I'll spill soon. Don't blink. This isn't a fad. It's got roots deeper than your Wi-Fi signal. Egyptians buried garlic with pharaohs to fight afterlife germs, mummies with minty breath. Greek Olympians munched it for stamina, outrunning the pack. Medieval healers slapped honey on sword wounds, sticky but clutch. Pirates stashed it to dodge scurvy, and Chinese sages balanced qi, life energy stuff. Romans mixed it with vinegar for a poor man's medicine, cheap, zesty, and germ-killing. Ayurveda's in on it too. Indian healers used it to warm up kapha, that sluggish vibe, bringing energy and glow. No tech, just smarts, and it worked. But how'd they supercharge it? That's coming. Hang tight. Here's the core, 10 health secrets that'll make you a garlic honey stan. 1. Immune fortress, turns you into a germ-smashing tank. 2. Cold blaster, kicks sniffles out fast. 3. Throat soother, like a warm hug for your voice. 4. Swelling crusher, tells creaky joints to bounce. 5. Gut cheerleader, feeds prebiotics, snacks for your belly buddies. 6. Energy zap, natural pep, no shakes. 7. Heart pal, keeps it ticking strong. 8. Cut fixer, honey's been healing since gladiator days. 9. Germ assassin, bad bugs run scared. 10. Taste trip, funky but awesome. Take 1-2 teaspoons daily straight in tea or on toast. Swirl it into yogurt for a tangy boost. Bonus, sip it with warm water to kickstart your day. Ayurveda vibes. Want more? 3 extra perks coming that'll flip your lid. Think this is folklore? Science says nope. Garlic's sulfur compounds, stinky helpers, zap germs, and tame swelling. Honey's antioxidants guard you like a cape. Studies prove it. Boosts immunity, fights infections, and chills cholesterol. Arteries love it. And speaking of arteries, if you haven't seen my breakdown of the most powerful natural artery clearing food they never talk about, check out They Lied, This Clears Arteries next. It's mind-blowing and totally doable from your kitchen. Rats fed it lived longer, and it might even cut stress. Less road rage, more chill. It's antiviral too, flu or herpes, zapped. Bonus, it's antifungal. Garlic's allicin can nix candida, that funky foot or skin invader. Ancient healers were geniuses, and labs just co-signed. But a wild study's coming. Don't bounce. All right, future garlic honey addicts, time for the fine print. Because even superheroes have their kryptonite. Babies under 1, honey is a big no-no. Those tiny tummies can't handle botulism spores, which, by the way, survive nuclear winters, and your mom's overcooking. On blood thinners or allergic to fun? Check with your doc. Garlic thins blood like a gossip thins patience. Yeah, your breath will smell like a vampire's lunchbox. Ancient hack? Chew raw parsley, it's nature's delete history for your mouth. Or eat a green apple. Science says the enzymes erase garlic stank. Rinse with water and baking soda after. Why? Honey's acidic. This saves your teeth without canceling the benefits. And if your jar grows something fuzzy, toss it, unless you're into penicillin smoothies. But how do you make it last forever? Let's just say your pantry's hiding a secret weapon. Next up. Okay, health rebels, time for the juicy extras they don't tell you about. Garlic's allicin relaxes blood vessels. Studies show it works like nature's beta blocker. Daily spoonfuls equals your arteries throwing a chill party. Raw honey spikes insulin slightly, which helps tryptophan hit your brain faster. Take 1 teaspoon before bed. It's like a lullaby in a jar. Local honey yields tiny pollen doses. Your immune system stops overreacting. Pro tip, start before allergy season. Add ginger for a spicy immunity boost. Medieval docs called it the poor man's antibiotic. Flip the jar weekly. Fermentation loves a good mix. Add lemon slices. Vitamin C plus cuts the funk. Warm it in tea, not boiling. Heat kills the magic. For a face mask, mix 1 teaspoon honey, 2 drops garlic juice. Zits vanish in 48 hours. Athlete's foot, dab it on at night. Garlic's a Joan, kills fungus dead. Yes, it stinks. No, your socks won't forgive you. But hey, fungus-free toes. But the real game changer, cinnamon. Just 1/4 teaspoon triples the germ-killing power and makes it taste like dessert. How? That's the grand finale. And trust me, you'll want to stick around. Studies say garlic honey might fight superbugs, germs antibiotics can't touch. It's your weapon against the nastiest invaders. Bonus kicker, it could slow cancer cells. Garlic's allicin and honey's antioxidants might be tumor tamers. Detox boost. Sulfur and antioxidants help your liver flush junk. Cleaner insides, happier you. Weight loss edge. Garlic burns fat, honey revs metabolism, double team your genes. Hacks, sprinkle cinnamon to mask the funk and boost germ killing. Egyptians loved it. Stash it in a dark cupboard for a year-long shelf life. Add vanilla for a smooth finish. You're forging a health empire. Who's in the garlic honey army? Drop honey god in the comments if you're making this. Smash that like if your mind's melted. Subscribe for more. Next time I'm dropping a trick so wild, garlic honey's just the opener. See you there.